Alright, so I'm not really sure what happened to my video, but the last part that we were at was we got the oil filter back in and the cap on, and just got the oil plug back on. It's important that you tighten it once you've replaced that crush washer, until you can feel the crush washer crush. You can actually feel it crushing into place. Make sure you do that, or else you're gonna have an oil leak. So I took my gloves off now because there's no need to have them on, but what you're gonna do now is grab your funnel, come on over to the other side, loosen up your dipstick. Make sure you're putting it somewhere where it's not gonna get lost. I make sure that I actually clean my bike real good and get the dirt off of it, because you definitely don't want to get debris and crap into your oil. So, you know, just, I mean, y'all can do what you want, but it's just always a good practice. So it takes about 3 quarts of oil. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling it up. Again, I am using the Honda motor oil, you know, recommended. I did use OEM filters. I know that we're at 600 miles, so it's our second oil change. What was in it before was just a Fram, but I'm going back to the OEM recommended filter and oil, you know, just to make it, you know, I don't know, it's just my own preference, I guess. So you can use whatever, but let's go ahead and get this filled on up. All right, so I got the oil in. I put in about, out of the third quart, I put in about, let's see, maybe 25 ounces left, 25 ounces in, sorry. But, you know, a good rule of thumb, too, is after the second one, just check the dipstick, clean it off, check it, just to make sure. You know, you don't want to overfill it, because then you're going to have issues. So, mine says it's full. So, yeah, I'm going to get the bike put back together. I do want to say, though, if you are under warranty and you got the warranty through Honda, make sure that if you're doing your own oil change, you can do your own oil change and not void the warranty, but make sure that you are using OEM parts and Honda oil so that you don't void your warranty, because if you still have a warranty, it will void it. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to pop this back on and you're all set. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and keep coming back for more maintenance on your 2021 Honda Rancher 420 foot shift 4x4, and even the Rhino, Yamaha Rhino 660 0607. So hit me up. Hope you liked it.